Hello students. Today let us learn something about adverbs. In the parts of speech, adverb plays an important role. Let us see what is its role. Adverb. Basically, most adverbs tell you how, where or when something is done. In other words, they describe the manner, place or time of an action. Commonly, adverbs are formed from adjectives. I hope you all are well aware about what an adjective is. Here are a few examples of that. You can notice that few adjectives are given, and from that how the adverbs are being formed, like kind, kindly, happy, happily, wonderful, wonderfully, and the remaining examples too. Many of the adverbs end with ly. You make these adverbs by adding ly to the adjectives. But there are some words that end in ly are not adverbs. Some adjectives end in ly too. For example, Sam was feeling very lonely. She was wearing a lovely dress. It was a very lively party. So you can notice here that even adjectives end by ly. Dear students, now we move on to the most relevant part of this topic, the kinds of adverbs. There are various kinds of adverbs. The very first one is manner. It describes in which manner an action is done. The second one, adverb of place. It describes where an action is done. Time. It describes when an action is done. Next one is frequency. It shows how many times an action is done. And the last one, purpose or reason. It describes the purpose or reason for the action. Quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what degree or to what extent. Affirmation or negation, which says yes if it is yes and no if it is no. Now let's peep into a little bit detailed manner of the kinds of adverbs. The first one, adverb of place. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question where. They are called adverbs of place. Examples: the boys are playing upstairs. The dog is in the garden. Here you can see a few more examples of adverb of places. Next, we move into adverbs of manner. Some adverbs and adverb phrases describe the way people do things. For example, the girls answered all the questions correctly. He was driving carelessly. You can notice few more examples of adverb of manner. The next one is adverb of frequency. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question how often an action is done. They are called adverbs of frequency. Examples: the children always go to school on the bus. I'll never make that mistake again. We move on to the next one, adverbs of time. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question when. They are called adverbs of time. The train has already left. We moved into our new house last week. You can notice few more examples of adverbs of time here. We move on to adverbs of quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what degree or to what extent. He was too careless. The sea is very stormy. I'm rather busy. The next one is adverbs of reason. The adverb which tells about a reason is called adverb of reason. He is hence unable to refute the charge. He therefore left the school. The next one, adverbs of affirmation and negation, which says yes if it is yes and no if it is no. Examples, I don't know. Surely you are mistaken. He certainly went. Here are a few common examples of adverbs. And here are some examples of adverbs of different kinds. Dear students, I hope that the presentation of adverb was easy for you and you have got a clear picture of the types of adverbs. Now here, kindly go ahead in doing this exercise. Thank you so much.